Your risk does not end when you leave the job site. We recently reviewed a case where custom railing failed 3 years after the house was built. The homeowner fell, got hurt, and dragged the contractor back into the lawsuit. The contractor was confused. He said, I finished that job in 2021. I got paid, I walked away. Why is this hitting me now? Ongoing and completed operations. To understand this, you have to look at two timelines of the construction project. Ongoing operations, the first one. This is while you're physically on the job site. If you drop a hammer on a car while you're working, that's ongoing operations coverage. Completed operations. Well, this starts the second you hand over the keys to that owner and walk away, right? In Texas, the statute of repurpose allows you to be sued for construction defects for up to 10 years after the substantial completion. So if the railing fails 3 years later, that's a completed operations claim. The exclusions to watch for in your insurance policy is if your insurance policy only covers ongoing operations. Your coverage stopped the day you left the job site, but your liability stayed 10 years. So we see this consistently with the fly-by-night type insurance carriers. You see a quote that's cheaper, so you switch, but you didn't check the exclusions. Many bargain bin policies carry an endorsement called exclusion, products completed operations hazard, CG 2104. This basically says, we will cover you while you're working, but once you're done, you're on your own. That's a trap right there. And the switching the carrier's trap is another sneaky endorsement called a prior work exclusion. So when you switch to a new carrier, they might include a clause that says, we will only cover work that started after the inception date of the new policy. So if you buy a new policy in 2024 and get sued for a job you did in 2022, the new carrier says, we didn't insure that work. The old carrier says, your policy expired. You just have created a gap where you have zero coverage for the entire history of work. How do we fix this, right? When you're reviewing your quote, ask your agent 2 questions. Does your policy include products and completed ops coverage? And the second question is, does this policy have a prior acts limitation date? Don't let a small savings on premium cost you your business 3 years from now.